Here is how to update the firmware on your Ukaton Side Mission Motion Modules. First thing you want to do is to disassemble it, remove the lid, take away the PCB and battery, disconnect the battery, just wiggle it. Alright, so then you have the PCB by itself, connect it through USB to your computer, and you should see it glow like that. Then you want to take the Side Missions firmware repo on GitHub, clone it and open it in VS Code. Here we have an open in VS Code, ignore that. In VS Code, you want to install the Platform.io extension. Just go to extensions here and just type in Platform.io, and then you should see it show up and install it. It looks like this little alien thing. You may need to close and open VS Code before you see all the Platform.io stuff at the bottom, right here, this blue stuff. And also, yeah, and that's pretty much it. And then you can open up the source main.cpp. This is pretty much the actual source code. Everything else is just dependencies. And I wouldn't touch any of this unless you know what you're doing. The only thing you should really change is the device name at the top. Here you see Ukaton Side Mission 1. Depending on which one you got, we just write the name in Sharpie on the bottom. Here it's 1, so I have a Ukaton Side Mission 1, but you can name it Side Mission 5 or whatever. Or you can name it whatever you want. Just call it My Motion Module or something. And after you got that, press this little right arrow button on the bottom called Platform.io Upload, which will upload the code. And then you'll see it. You'll see stuff happening. It may take a while the first time you upload because it's compiling and installing and whatever. All right, after it uploads, you want to disconnect it, then reconnect it, and you can just test it using the glitch page here. I'm going to open up the glitch page. I'm going to try connecting to it. I see it, Ukaton Side Mission 1, tap on it, and then after it connects, you'll see data to appear. Acceleration, linear acceleration, rotation rate, Euler angles. The 3D model, I guess, doesn't show up here because I had to press a button or something. But yeah, it shows up on the phone. On iOS, you have to install like Bluefy, some weird app that has web Bluetooth. It opens up in Android pretty easily. And it works on desktop too. I'm just not doing it here because it's really slow because I'm also recording my screen and stuff. And that's pretty much it. To reassemble it, just disconnect this, add the battery back, then put it back in the case. The right way to put it in the case, hold the case so that the hole is on the right side. Put the battery so the wire is coming at the top. Turn the case around so the logo is right side up. Just kind of push the cables in there. And then take the lid, and normally you would think you should put the lid right side up so it lines up with the logo. Because of the way we designed it, we made a little mistake, so put it upside down, put the case on top, and then snap into place. And then so the hole should be on the right when it's upside down, but when you hold the lid right side up, the hole should be on the left. And that's just because of the way the motion sensor is oriented on this, where when the yaw is 0, if you hold this, the logo pointing north, the yaw would be 0. That's why we have to have it like this. Next time we'll fix that. But that is how you can. That's how you update the firmware on the Ukaton Side Mission Motion Modules. Thanks for watching.